Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character art of a female student with a shortcut by Kisaragi Works, an icon pack of fantasy farming vegetables by Mr. Milk Duds, an MV and MZ plugin by MacPan that makes it so that the battleback does not stretch, an MV and MZ plugin by Awaya Matana that allows executing script calls when a skill or item is used, and we write the script inside its note, an MZ plugin by Gemini that runs common events by name and allows selecting how many times they should run. Next, we have 3 MZ plugins by Cursed Steven, an MZ plugin that transfers the player to a specific location whenever they lose a battle, and also runs a common event, a plugin that plays a unique sound effect for each item and skill on the menu screen, and lastly, a plugin that allows enemies to call reinforcement. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.